Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to turn off read receipts. Sometimes when someone sends you a message but you don't want to make them know that you see that message, even you see it. So to do this, just follow me step by step. We will go to WhatsApp. In this page, you will go to this window of three dots here. You will find settings. You will enter to settings. After that, you will find here privacy, block contacts, disappearing messages. So you will enter to your privacy like this. And then here in this page, you will find this window. As you see here, you will find the sign of read receipts. If turned off, you won't send or receive read receipts. Read receipts are always sent for group chats. So by disappearing these read receipts, you will be able to stop the blue text from appearing and protect your privacy on Android or iPhone. So we click here, as you see, and when we click on it, you can know how to disable it in easy way as you follow like this. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video helped you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.